Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you use Mozilla Firefox, you may well know, if you view this channel, that we have been talking about playback issues regarding YouTube in Firefox over the last couple of months. And it seems that Firefox, to some degree or the other, is plagued by YouTube playback issues. And because of this, about a year or so ago, I did post a video on how to fix YouTube playback issues in Mozilla Firefox. And I'll leave that in the description down below and also in the end screen because it does tie into today's video. Now, just to let you know that I may have some good news in regards to YouTube playback issues in the browser. And it seems now that after a good couple of months of trying to resolve and investigate this issue, Mozilla has finally found a fix for this problem. And if we head over to the Bugzilla regarding this issue, which was opened 5 months ago and was closed 9 hours ago. So this seems to well and truly now be fixed by Mozilla, where they say YouTube videos buffering issues due to bad muxed VP9 bar stream. Now, just a bit of a recap here. If you don't know what a VP9 bar stream or the VP9 codec is all about, basically just a quick overview of that is that VP9 is an open and royalty-free video coding format developed by Google. So that's the interesting part, and is mainly used in Google's video platform YouTube. So regarding this issue, Mozilla has said that the regression or the issue is not caused by Firefox. It's caused by Google's YouTube service. So it's not a regression or an issue on Mozilla's side. And they say the issue can also be reproduced on old versions of Firefox. So according to Mozilla, Google has introduced this issue on YouTube in the Firefox web browser, although obviously nobody can prove it was deliberate, but nonetheless, that is according to Mozilla. So I just wanted to put it out there because obviously on the channel I do see quite a lot of comments regarding YouTube issues in Firefox, and just wanted to keep you guys posted. And we are expecting a point release update for Firefox 127 later today. But it seems, though, that this fix is not going to make it into that point release. Apparently, the fixing took a little bit longer than expected, so we could see the fix for this issue rolled out in a point release later this month. So obviously, I know this is quite a hot topic when it comes to Firefox users and the YouTube platform. So just keeping you guys posted, and obviously, when this fix does become available, I'll keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.